In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the alternator on your GMC K1500. This will be located on the top of the motor. Let's get started. Using an 8mm wrench or socket, we're going to loosen the negative battery terminal. And remove it from the battery. Using a 16mm wrench, we're going to put it on the bottom pulley for the automatic tensioner. We're going to pull the tension off of that. We're going to pull the belt off of our alternator. We're going to leave the belt routed along the rest of the system. We're going to remove the connector. To do this, we're going to pull up on this tab and pop it off. There's that tab. In the back, we're going to lift up this boot. Using a 10mm wrench or socket, remove the nut off of the back. Remove the nut and the cable. Remove the 10mm bolt in the back. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. Remove the 10mm bolt on the front left side. Using a flat blade or a pry bar, we're going to pull the alternator out, install the alternator down into place. Get the bolt started through the back and thread it in by hand. Install the bolt in the front left. Get the bolt started. Install the bolt through the bracket. Go through and snug down all of the bolts. And snug down the 10mm in the front. Torque the 13mm bolt to 37 foot-pounds. Torque the 10mm bolts to 18 foot-pounds. Install the cable on the back and get the nut started. Get it nice and snug. And install the boot. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Get the belt ready for reinstallation. Be sure it's centered on the pulleys and on the fan pulley. We'll pull the tension off of the tensioner. Install the belt around the alternator. Install the negative battery cable. Get the bolt started. Snug the connection down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.